Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add dot symbol to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select this Foxit e-sign option top menu bar and click here and this dot option. Click this dot and you can decrease this dot size here and move in here. And you can change dot color. See this. Also I insert dot here. Change color and decrease. See this. Insert here and dot color and make it custom color. Custom black color and OK. And see this. Select hand option. And see this. Inside you can insert dot to your PDF file. This is. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.